Good morning, student. Now you are watching YouTube live streaming class, and this class is for class 7, you know. I am Leena Maharana, and students, today we will discuss worksheet number 17 from your Utthan English practice book. Today's worksheet is worksheet number 17 only. And you know, students, today's lesson is going to be fun by playing games only. Today we will play games in a very fun way, right? You know why? Do you want to know the topic, today's topic? Yes, that is odd one out. What is that? The topic is odd one out. Now, what is the meaning of odd one out? Odd one out कहले कौन पिला माने आज रो टॉपिक हो जो odd one out कौन तार मीनिंग? Yes, a person, anything, something that is different from the members of a particular group. गोटे group of members अछंती, all are same, one is different, and we have to pick that different one. Odd माने अलगा भिन्न बा different. Which one is odd, which one is different, we have to pick out today. Right, students? That is called odd one out. भिन्न जिनसटी को आज आमे बाछिबा ए वर्कशीट रे. Right, students? So I have lot of screens, I have lot of things through this game. We have to find out all those different ones. Right. Now look at me. I have 3 pens. Yes, they all are same. These 3 are pens, but I have one duster. Then which one is different? These are the members of a same group, pens, right? And this one is a duster. So this picture is, or this image is different. In this way, we will find out all those different ones. I want to give one more example, students. Look at the screen. Just I have a shape like this. This is a shape we have discussed earlier, previous classes. This is a triangle. This one is also a triangle. And this is also a triangle. These are same. One more triangle. All are triangles. But I put this one like this. Which one is different? You can identify very easily. This one. These 3 are looking same, but this one is different. Then we have to pick this one out. This is odd one, right, students? So in this way, let us play all the games by picking odd one out. So look at your screen. Before going to give you all the images of picking out the odd ones, let me tell you something. What are the same member of groups? Look this screen, they are domestic animals. All are domestic animals. Domestic animal मान कौन कहले बिना गृहपालित पशु. Cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, camel, yak, dog, cat, horse, donkey, pig, rabbit, all are domestic animal. No one is wild here. केही जणे वन्य जंतु नाहांती. All are domestic animal. So these are the members of a same group, domestic animal. Now look at the next students. Wild animals, all are wild animals. कई जणे एठी domestic animals or pet animals नाहांती. जेमति कि fox, kangaroo, wolf, tiger, leopard, cheetah, deer, lion, bison, hippopotamus, zebra, rhinoceros, bear, elephant, giraffe. All are wild animals. So these are the members of a same type of group. Then fruits, all are fruits. Can you know them? Yes, apple, orange, grapes, banana, pineapple, mango, pomegranate, papaya, watermelon, lime, jackfruit, guava, custard apple, chiku, strawberry, plum, cherry, peach, pear and avocado. All are fruits. Now, look this next screen. All are vegetables. एगुड़िक सब परिबा तुम जान कुकुम्बर, कॉलीफ्लावर, टमेटो, लेडी फिंगर, ब्रिंजल, bitter gourd, tinder, lemon, radish, peas, tomato, potato, capsicum, plantain, pumpkin, you know all these vegetables, right or not? These are the name of all vegetables. Then in the next sentence, students, see, all are non-living things. एगुड़ी को सब होचंती निर्जीव वस्तु. आमे देखिए जीव भी अच्छंती निर्जीव भी अच्छंती. So all are non-living things. House, saw, drum, stones, chair, car, bat, table. All these images have no life. से मानक देहरे जीवन नहीं. They are non-living things. Then the next sentence, students, find out the fruits only. I have mixed up vegetables and fruits. देखो ये स्क्रीन रे आमे किछि परिबा आ फल को मिसै देछे. I want you to find out the fruits only. केवल फल गुडी को तुमे बाछि परिबो कि? Yes, there are 4 fruits. What are they? Banana, orange, apple and pear. Right, students? These are the fruits only. All others are vegetables. तो आमे केवल एठी fruits को आमे आइडेंटिफाई करूचे. Look at the next sentence, students. Find out the non-living things. आमे एबे पढिले non-living कोडा को देखुथिले. तो look, which images have no life. इथरो को जिनसा गुडी कर बा इमेज गुडी कर लाइफ नहीं. से माने चला बुला करि परंतिनी, खाइ परंतिनी, ब्रीथ करि परंतिनी. What are they? Yes, aeroplane, newspaper, car, bed, lamp and cap. Yes, you can easily identify. These are non-living things. They have no life. And others have life. The dog, horse, they have life, students. Now, look at your screen. Pick the odd one out. I have some shapes or images here. You have to find out the different one, the odd one. In the first row, there are 4 triangles. Which one is different, students? Yes, which is blue in color. Next one is the D's are written. Which is different? The third one, because D is looking in a different side. Then the emojis. There are 4 smileys. Which one is different? The second one. It looks upward. Eta upuru ko dekhuchi nahi ki. Next, show these arrows. Look at these arrows. Which one is different? Yes, the first one. Right or not? It is downward. Next, come to the next screen. Look, I have some beautiful pictures for you. Stars and moon. Which one is different? There are 4 stars and 1 moon. Who is different? Who is odd? Yes, the moon is odd. Then the butterflies and flower. Which one is odd? Yes, you know, that is the flower. Look the animals. Elephant and lion. Which one is different, students? Yes, the middle one, the lion is different, others are elephant. Now, the next line, students, umbrella and balloon. Which one is different? Yes, that is the balloon. Look the next one, students. I have placed all these objects and numbers as ABCD. Then the first ice cream, which ice cream is different, students? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Which one is different? Yes, the C ice cream is different. It's colored in a different color. Look at the chocolates. Which chocolate is odd? Co chocolate through alga achi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes, the F chocolate is odd one. Just circle it out. Now look at the ladybugs. Which bug is different? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Right. The G is different. Now look at the balloon, students. Which balloon is odd one? Koda tikke different laguchi? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, ru koda odd achi. H is because it is dotted. Others are plain. Now look this screen, students. Next screen, you have some smileys, some emojis, and I know you are all familiar with these emojis. In these days, you are playing with mobile phone and you are using WhatsApp, right, students? So you know about these emojis. Look, there are 6 emojis. Which one is different? Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is different? The first row, second one is different, students. That emoji is looking downward. Taluku dekhuchi, right, students? Look, the umbrellas, students. Which one is odd? Count the droplets. Se droplet gudi ko gana. छता उपरे जो पानी पड़छि Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is different? Who is different? The umbrella which has 4 droplets, that is different. Now look students, many more emojis. The goggles emojis, which one is different? Second row, second one. Yes or no? That is sad. That emoji is sad. Others are happy. Then the next, see students, in the just below that there are 6 emojis again. Which one is different? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is different? The last one is, that is smiling. Others are also little bit sad. Now look the screen students, another screen. I have written vowel and consonant. There are some images and words also. So look at the screen board students. Let me tell you something about vowels and consonant. We know in English there are 26 letters. Out of these 26 we have 5 vowels. 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and rest 21s are consonants. What are they? Consonants. Just like B to Z, except A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U होचंती vowels. आमर जेमती ओडिया रे अछि स्वर वर्ण व्यंजन वर्ण, इंग्लिश रे मध्ये सेमती अछि. Vowels are स्वर वर्ण, consonants are व्यंजन वर्ण. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest B to Z are consonants. So look at your screen now, vowel and consonant. There are some words. Look at the words, not the pictures. A for apple, A for ant, A for axe, B for bat. So which one is different? You can find out easily, right? The word that is formed with consonant B, rest are A. Apple and axe are formed with vowels, and the BAT bat one is different one because the first letter is a consonant. So bat is different. In this way you can do the others. Look the next screen. Egg, elephant, cat, engine. Which one is odd? Yes, cat is odd, right? Because the first letter is a consonant, rest are vowels. Now, I for inkpot, I for injection, I for insects, and D for dog. So which one is different? The D-O-G, dog, is odd one out. Now, O for oil, orange, cow, ox. In the next screen students, which one is different? Which is odd one? You have to find out and circle it. Yes, C-O-W, cow is odd one. Now, look the screen student. In the next screen, I have written rhyming words. What I have written? Rhyming words. What is the meaning of rhyming words? We know in a poem, when you sing a poem, all the last words are sounds like the same. They are called rhyming words. Just like rhyming words like cat, bat, rat, hat. केमती शुभुची सेम सेम शुभुची ना गीत गाइला भलिया rat, cat, bat, rat, hat, cat, bat, rat, hat, all are sounds like same. So these are rhyming words. At the last letters are same, 80, 80 and 80. These are rhyming words. Just like then jug, mug, rug, dug. These are also rhyming words. But if I do one thing, instead of mug, I write down here car. Jug, car, rug, dug. Which one is odd? Which doesn't sound like the same like others? J-U-G jug, R-U-G rug, D-U-G jug, dug. But C-A-R car sounds are different. It is different one. Jug, rug, dug, car. So this is odd one out. So this is a non-rhyming word. In this way, we have to find out the others. Now look at your screen. Car, cup, jar, star. Which one is odd one? Yes, C-U-P, cup is odd one. Now the next screen. Sun, tree, run, fun. I know, you can easily find out. I am not going to tell the answer. Look at the next screen. Frog, mat, cat, hat. एथुर किए अलग लगुची कहार स्वर्ण कहार pronunciation टा भिन्न अछि कहार अछि mat, hat, cat are same. Frog is different, so frog word is odd one out. Now students, look at your screen. I have written domestic and wild animal. Look, agru dekhayithili tumku images koguda ko domestic animal koguda ko wild animals. So find out which one is different one. Domestic and wild. Lion, tiger, elephant, cow. Who is odd one? Who is a domestic animal? Yes, cow is a domestic animal. So that one is odd one out. The remains are wild animals. Next screen students. Dog, horse, pig and tiger. Who is odd? Yes, tiger is a wild animal. This one is a odd one out. Rest are what? They are domestic animals. Dog, horse, pigs are domestic animals and tiger is wild animal. That's why it is different. Now in the next screen students see birds and animals. You know who are birds and which one is a animal. Kingfisher, peacock, cock and cat. Cat is an animal and others are birds. So cat is odd one out. Now tulip flower, the next in students, tulip flower, leaf, hibiscus flower and rose flower. Yes, who is different? Leaf, leaf माने कौन पिले पत्र. Others are flower or फूलो. से गुडी को same group रो ये है different one. Now students look mode of transport. आमे एटी केमती बाछिबा एमानकर यातायात पथरु आमे एमानकु different one बाछिबा. Bus, airplane, car and van. Who is different? Who is different? Yes, the airplane is different. It moves in air. Airplane कोडी चले आकाश रे चले. बाकी जो बस कार और van रहले से माने कोडी चलंदी हमर road रे चलंदी. In this way airplane is the odd one. Now in the next see students, identify the odd one and I have given a clue. What is that clue? First letter. What is that? First letter. So fish, fan, frog, pot. Which one is odd? एथुर किए अलग अच्छी कहार फर्स्ट लेटर टा डिफरेंट देख F for fish, F for fan, F for frog, but P for pot. So that's why pot is different one. Are you enjoying students? I know these are all fun way to learn odd one out. In the next students, doll, doctor, table, dog. Again in the first letter which one is different? Table is different, right student? Others are started with D. D for doll, doctor, dog and table is odd one out. Now cock, parrot, cat, cap. Mixed images, but which one is different? Look at the first letters. C for cock, P for parrot, C for cat, C for cap. Which one is odd? Yes, parrot is different because its first letter is P. Yar pratham akharati P. Then students, see the next screen. Again I have given a clue. Mu gote deichi clue. Find out karo which one is different. Book, frog, dog, bag. Kiye alga achi eti? Look at the last letter, last alphabet. See, B-O-O-K, book, F-R-O-G, frog, D-O-G, dog, B-A-G, bags. Then which one is odd? Book. B-O-O-K, book is odd one. Next students, in this way, net, hand, boat and cat. Who is different? Again look at the last letter T, 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 but one is D. Which one? Hand. Net, boat, cat are same and hand is different. Now, ox, box, fox, cock. Again, who is different? K olga achi. That cock is odd one. Its last letter is K. So, students, in your worksheet, even in your book, there are some small activities to do. So, look in your screen, worksheet number 17, we have to find out the symbols, the odd one out, right? Pick the odd one emoji out. In number 1, which one is different? K olga achi? The last emoji, right or not? All are giving thumbs up, but the last one is put its hand on its head. That is different. Now, students, in question number 2, all are what? Drinking tea, right? Students, which one is odd one? The middle one is, right? The first one and third one is same. The middle one is odd one out. In number 3, student, which one is different? Yes, the third one. You can do it very easily. And in fourth one also, you find out on your own, circle it and do the activity. And in next 10 students, in your book there is given a clue. This is a wild animal. Again, we have done many examples here. So, this is a wild animal. Find out the wild animal. Yes, the tiger is different one because it is a wild animal. So, pick that odd one out. Our national bird is. Our national bird is. आमर जातीय पक्षी के आमर जातीय पक्षी के एथरू देयर आर 4 images. आमर जातीय पक्षी के yes, the peacock one is our national bird. Now students, this is a non living thing. आमे अभी डिस्कस करथिले non living thing, निर्जीव वस्तु. देखो, butterfly, a small dog, beautiful small white dog and red chilies. So, which one is non-living thing? And a tub, bathtub. What is different? Who is a non-living thing? Yes, the tub is a non-living thing. So, this one is odd one out. Tick that one. Now, question number 4 students. He treats us. आमको एठी केही जणे आमर जत्न नियंती आमर देह खराब हेले. Who is that one? First picture is a teacher, then a farmer, then a policeman, then a doctor. Then who treats us? A doctor treats us. Then the doctor is the right answer. Tick that one. In activity number 3 students, odd one out from words. आमे आज किछि words रो मध्य without any picture, कौन सी picture व्यवहार न करी आमे चित्र odd one out को find out करिबा. So look in question number 1. January, November, July and August all are months. एट देखो सब गुड़ा तो मंथ ताले केमती हमें फाइंड आउट करियो व्हिच वन इज ऑड केमती जानिबा जनवरी नवेम्बर जुलाई अगस्त यस आमे काउंट करिबा से मानकर नंबर ऑफ डेज तो काउंट कर जनवरी केते दिनिया नवेम्बर केते दिनिया जुलाई केते दिनिया और अगस्त केते दिनिया राइट स्टूडेंट्स डू इट दैट इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डेस्क ब्लैकबोर्ड क्लासरूम बेंच ये तो सब क्लासरूम रे देखा जाए yes or no then which one is odd केमती आइडेंटिफाई करिबा desk blackboard bench we see all these objects inside a classroom आमे गोटे क्लासरूम रे सब को देखंती then classroom is different ना कि कारण क्लासरूम टा होची गोटे होल ऑब्जेक्ट and these are the objects inside the classroom in this way classroom is different then question number 3 put and egg ant आमे एबे कथा हेतले पिला माने केमती आपको आइडेंटिफाई करबा ये सब वर्ड्स देखो p u t put and and e g g egg and ant तो व्हिच वन इज ऑड वन केमती बाछिबा आमे Look at their first letter. A, E, A. These three are what? I have said earlier, what are they? They are vowels. What are they? They are vowels. A, E, A. And A and are what? Vowels. Started with vowel. And P, what you put? P is a consonant. In this way, this one is odd one. Now students, I want to do some board work. Look at the board, students. I just want to write down some words and you have to find out. If you want, you can copy them. You can write down in your copy too. Look, find the odd one. Fan, TV, iron, table. Tell me which one is odd. Which one is odd? Yes. Fan, TV, irons runs with electricity. They runs in or what? Electricity रे चलती है माने क्यों टेबल रखना electricity दरकार की विद्युत दरकार की? No. So fan, TV, iron, these are the members of a same group and this one is different. So circle that one. Then angry, work, sad, laugh. Tell me students, which one is different? Which is different? Angry, work, sad, laugh. Sad, laugh, angry. These are some emotions. एगुड़ा आम किसी आवेग नहीं कि work is different. So put it in a different one. Then students, summer, winter, Monday, spring. Tell me who is odd one out? Summer, winter, Monday and spring. कहो इथरो अलगा किए? Summer टा कौन? Summer season. गोटे सीजन बा ऋतु आमर खरा दिन है समर सीजन. विंटर क्या कह जाए? शीत दिन बा शीत ऋतु. स्प्रिंग सेटा गोटे ऋतु. को ऋतु? बसंत ऋतु. सो समर, विंटर, स्प्रिंग आर सेम. एंड हु इज ऑड वन? मंडे. एटा गोटे दिवस रे जाउची. सो समर, विंटर, स्प्रिंग आर सेम एंड मंडे इज डिफरेंट वन. देन पुट इट इन अ डिफरेंट वर्ड. Box. Now students, the last one, look, triangle, square, E and M. Tell me who is different one? कही परिबो एटा कि इथुर कि अलगा अछि? Yes. केमति जानिबा? These are एगुडी को तो दुईटा हमर हेले कोन shapes. आ ए दुईटा हेले कोन हमर letters. Then who is different? केमति find out करिबा? Look at the strokes. 1 2 3. Yes or no? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. They have 4 line segments, right or not? एमानकर चारिटी लेखे strokes बा lines अछि किंतु यार तीनटा अछि. That is why this image is different. So in this way we have learned so many things about odd one out. तुम्हें माने मध्य तुम चारि पाखरे बहुत जिनस को एमती ग्रुप करि परिबो एवं फाइंड आउट करि परिबो ऑड वन आउट. तुम्हें घरे भी खेली परिबो भाई भौणी को संगरे आउ फ्रेंड्स मानक संगरे भी खेली परिबो. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? So this is all about today's class. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.